What is up, everybody? It is the Naughty Investor here, coming at you with a video on XRP. I've been covering XRP a lot lately, and because it's a very interesting crypto, it has a lot of following. A lot of people hate it, a lot of people love it, but what's going on with XRP? Where is the price going? Now, I want to just disclose, I don't have a crystal ball. All I'm doing is some simple technical analysis to see what is going on with XRP. So XRP is up just barely for the day. If we go back to here, when we're on CoinMarketCap, let me just refresh that. And it was up, yeah, it's a little bit up for the day, which is good. But the other day it was way up and it dropped down. Now let me put it back for the past week. Let me just click out of that ad. No, I don't want to upgrade. Okay, so here we are, and you know what, let me just put on, hang on one second. Let me just put on my RSI indicator right here. Ooh. Right there. So we have that on now. Now, so this is in the past week, and I just want to explain to you what likely happened and why it dropped and why I don't think it is that big of a deal, and why I don't think it matters too much, and yeah. So up here, we were getting XRP to a large high. We were at, like, what is that, 36 cents, just roughly 35, 36 cents. So it was going up quite a bit, and a lot of people were making a lot of money. So we were on the high right here, right? And then what happens? People do profit taking. They take their profits and they sell. And you could see that with the RSI. Of course, this is, kind of small, but you could see this aligns up with this. Don't look at it like up and down. Look at it like this is just the general trend on the RSI. So that when the RSI goes down like that, and it went under 50, it went to about 40. What that means is it was being oversold. XRP was being oversold, and that is why the price dropped. So it was getting to a high, and it starts getting oversold, comes down, dips, and people were taking their money. They were selling off, and they were taking their profits. Now then, we could see that it comes back up, but you could see on the RSI that it doesn't come right back up right away. It comes up to about here, and that I would say aligns with this green right here, which means it's opening on the high, and then it dips back down. So what likely happened here was just some profit taking. It comes back up and it dips back down, a bit of a correction, and maybe some panic selling possibly once people started seeing the price drop a little bit, some panic selling. Now it comes back up, we just have some, basic volatility over here, and then right around here we start seeing the RSI go up. This means it starts getting overbought again because the correction occurred. People see the price is lower, new investors are getting in. So it comes back up like this, and let me just go to the daily now. All right, so this is it for the day. So I showed you why it dropped for the week, and on the day it is up, and we just see some basic volatility over here, and the RSI is at an all-time high right around here, and it dips down just a bit, and it starts to plateau a little bit. Now, I'm curious to see where XRP will be for the rest of the week. I don't know, but it looks like it's going to be an uptrend. I can't promise you that. Of course, this is just some basic technical analysis. I am not an expert. I've been involved with crypto for, since about high school, and I am in my 20s now, so quite a few years, but I'm not an expert. But I think XRP next couple weeks, it's going to have some dips. But overall, I think we're in an uptrend, because if you look at the RSI for, here, let's give me one second. Let's go back to the month. And actually, no, I want to go back to the week. Let's go back to the week and click off of that ad. So if you look at the RSI, you can see it's it comes up, it dips a little bit. I think we're going to dip a little bit more, but I think we're going to recover. I think we're going to start coming back up, and we're going to see the RSI, the strength index. We're going to start seeing it come back up, and that should mean the price is going to go up. So we had some profit taking, we had some dips, some price corrections, some new investors right around here and right around here. So on the screen, some new investors probably got into XRP, and they're waiting, and it's gonna eventually eventually, once it goes back up, they'll do some profit taking. It'll drop down a little bit, just like it did this past week. It'll drop down a little bit after the big gains, and that will be the correction. New investors will come back in, and the price will be higher than ever before. That's kind of how a general trend works, where, if prices rises, demand goes up, prices rises, newer people who've already bought, they sell off of their crypto, so price drops, they take their profit. New people come in, drives it up a little bit more, and it drops down a little bit more, and it slowly climbs. And I think that's what we're seeing with XRP because of the relative strength index. Comes to a high right here, dips down, comes to a high up here, it'll dip down. So I think maybe 2 weeks from now we'll start seeing it rise again, but I cannot promise you that. But that is just my opinion. Now, if you guys enjoyed this video, leave a like, subscribe, share the video, helps me out a ton, and I will see you guys next time. Peace out.